Oh my, look at all that. Yeah. So you've got all your instructions in there, how to do it and how to use it as well. And it looks as if it's in different languages as well. Yeah, it's Dutch, Italian, French, I don't know, Chinese. Oh, English is first. Wow, that's a change. Look at all these sandbands. I prefer to use these really. And have you seen this? It's an English plug. That is amazing to get an English plug. And these are the drills. Some more sandbands there. But to put the sandband on, I don't know if it's got anything holding it. No. So the sandbands go onto that one there. They just slide on to there. And the others you just use as is. But I prefer to use sandbands. Some don't, some do. I don't know. Let's have a look. This will be... Oh yeah. So this is the... See what a nice handle they do now? And there's the name of the company. I will leave all the links in the drop down box, and there's a discount code as well. And then this just fits onto the drill, and then you just pop it in. So that's that. So the drill itself. Oh, and it's got one of them. Oh, I had one of those with my old one. I use that all the time. So let's take it out. And it is so small as well. Like I say, it's like going back in time. This is. And it's so simple to use. You know, you're off and on, forwards and back. And then this here is, that's on. There's a lamp. And then you turn it up, turn it down, turn it off. So I'll undo all this, and then I can plug it in, and then I'll be back. So I'll just bring it down a little bit. So as you can see, the green light's on, and this little cup just slides down the side. I'll bring it that way, and then you can see that just slides down there. Then the handle itself fits in there, and for your drills, like I say with this one, this is all I had with my other one. I didn't have that. And then that just fits in like that if you just want to light on your desk. Just pick it up. It's a lovely piece of rubber, that is. But like I say, they get better as but I can't praise it enough how long I had mine. There was nothing wrong with it. It's just as with me not doing a lot of nails lately. I've just had this off. There we go. I just straighten everything up, put everything away. So here on the top goes all your little, I think they're all the same. Or you can put your own drills in, whichever. Like I say, this is the sandband one. So we'll get a sandband and put it on. See, it just slides on like that. Then that just fits in there. Just push it in. Right, let's see if it works. Right. There we go. And that's what makes it so easy. And like I say, that's one way. you click it off, click it on the other way, and it goes the other way. So with all them, like I say, that fits in like so. I don't think I've got anything to file off at the minute. I don't think so. Typical, isn't it? Let's I'll be back. So I'm going to try it on this. We'll have to see how this goes. I really need to move that out the way, else it's going to get full of dust. We don't want that. And as you can see, taking the polish off. There is absolutely nothing wrong with this drill at all. You can put your own drills in, you know, if you use the others. Then you just turn it off, pop it into the little cup, and where's my dusty thing? Get rid of that. And as you can see, it fetches it off, no problem whatsoever. It's a lovely little drill. I can't recommend it enough for people that are learning and want to take up this sort of career in doing nails, because it's a beautiful little thing, neat, small, handy. Like I say, this is brilliant, but you've got that as well. Now, so this all comes together. Like I say, it comes pink only, and it comes off Amazon. So I'll just go and find the proper name. So there is the name there. That's who it's from. And like I say, I'll leave you the links in the drop down box. As I say, it's on Amazon. I have got a discount code. But that's who this drill is from. I covered this up because the rest of my emails. So, like I say, I'll leave everything there, but I can't praise it enough, I'm afraid. It's such a good drill. It didn't owe me anything at all for all the years' work. And I mean, when you're practicing, they go through something. These drills do. And all these sandbands as well. Because like I say, I use gel polish more than anything. So getting the gel polish off, these are what I prefer to use than using these sort of drills. I still prefer the sandbands. I've got more control over a sandband than I have with one of those. And I'm not that adventurous to go that close. So, like I say, absolutely brilliant. Love the handle, and it's really nice to hold, like a pen, and it's not too thick, because I've only got small hands anyway. And in it goes. Like I say, you can't go wrong with it. You don't need the instructions because it's self-explanatory anyway. You know, just switching it on, switching it off, and you've got the power that you need, I think, because it does it very, very slow, and it doesn't go ridiculously high. So I would like to thank this company for sending me this, as I would never have dreamt that I'd have got one of my old favourites, my real best favourite. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and go and check this out. And like I say, it just comes in pink. And have a go, you beginners. Perfect. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye.